NPP for cancer muna Naana Jenopokwadima was in charge of our education when there were no choice for teachers to teach Ghanaian children. It took some philanthropists and well-meaning individuals to contribute monies to buy chalks for the teachers. Mami we samoba kaya one a minister for education Emra chalk a short the whole Ghana not teachers in your chalk crunch and kolana there and kophobia omuye ni papa no come boom no to chalk the teachers is some fanchana there. And the Naana Opoku Ajimai, teachers were for 2 years without pay, and when they were paid, they were given just 3 months arrest. She's now making noise. 10 years. And Naana Opoku Ajimai as a minister for education, Samokaya, teachers here juma 2 years. No me juma 2 years, no. Me pacho busumi mi ensanke tu apene buy.
Hey, 2 years, 3 months, I get you apene buy.
Yes. Hey. It was under her tenure as the education minister that people were given employment letters for 2 years, but had the letters recalled and given a few months once, meaning almost 2 years of their sweat were for nothing. It took the Akufo administration to reverse that obnoxious policy.
That's right.
If Naana Jenopokwadima is suffering from memory loss, the rest of us have our retentive memories intact. The NDC record will teach us as being a very poor one, and these fine words will not change the poor treatment meted out to teachers. Yes, PK Sapon, and then Sasha say,
Sarakati.
Me pacho ambassador Sampeyale was it so John Dramani Mama go jeni de shekonko oti huiche mu kroma de beba.
That's right.
Sasabi economic intelligence unity omo yishemu no omo ye no omo anye ne ye omo ye credible there, but this time omo anye ne ye because they did not check the realities on the ground.
Yes.
Wo sha wo chiro ya oni amane ne atete Ghana for komo a wo di anuma kura gina so ne NPP fo nyina NPP ebelusu and no be sure biano kasa obeka sana dia ira a wo chiro ya oni amane ne atete Ghana fo na mu no
eno a amo bia kasa
se sa wo sori kura frum paso na yema hyew apart from aduane a wonya ndi apart from ahokyere wo ho apart from aduma na Akufo do mie bi no and also na mana sesuro so ba be wo se kan no side den
ba makun ajo nkwa frum sem ya
and who says so be the two ba be si so ababia no on the time akromfo do se na Akufo do amemo ababia no on the time ashawo fo do se na Akufo do amemo ababia no on the time priwanyi sa do se na Akufo do amemo ababia no on the time ni pekun hu se na Akufo do amemo
jena no odin
and the dokura fi 1 series ko 3 series
kokokokokanu shiga
o ja wo kire o yaw ni amane Ghana fo na mu a
anu odin
mon troke kasa ansemu no we ento ru John Dramani Mahama no aye den a ono a senior member of NDC o se John Mahama no ono a ambassador Sampeyale so ono a ne de ne beba na emomu no omu problem omu wo eye isi no say isi be conduct free transparent credible election no ene hia omu ye fa soldier form be punipa
dabi
eno ne hia omu na apart from that sa anema we nyina omu so ovo a awurade nyankopon we dey approach gina ho a obe win election no e dey among the National Democratic Congress me te Sampeyale yere tatam yanko.
As for the NDC, it has already won according to predictions scenarios that you have been given. It's a reasonable chance. The second top up is that if they change the candidate, you revitalize your prospects. It means that it can even be higher. You understand? It can even be higher. But we are saying that the people who are making these predictions do not or have not taken account of the realities on the ground. They are holding all things being equal. They are saying all things being equal. What would change this election is the conduct of the Electoral Commission to conduct free, fair, and transparent elections. That is a critical part. What would change electoral fortunes in this country is the use of
na ye kake ene okọ parliament ena ye kwakoye nemu ntakanom eti networks eko ho ena obi antimi nkoserve no obi antimi yenkoye he's on his way to parliament or MP you can't serve Abraham High Court rule say he's no more MP.
It was the same attitude they were exhibiting regarding the Jomoro case. Now who say we no call say no say hey They are here as a fire say. John case in the same issue. Mami or your Ivorian. And also Kutagana Krata. Now, no be catch say Ivorian law no. On the moment I bet Krata or the Bekono authorities in Sabekano.
And just a warrant now.
Not fine. We should
go through process be a
sana or Makano. But we share Omumren Mukranya sanity. Near the kind. Krata or Troyano or Trono 2019. Near Musa 2019 or Troyano. It was received. Our authorities are more 2021.
Hey.
Yes. Because I know they were not serious about it. We even doubt
the
the authenticity.
no catch court ne say.
Ivorian
for the all that you need is to
Troyano. Na and one of them. And now order letter by letter no.
French.
Date no. 2019.
Say Satan no the letter.
Me wa sa wo share date in so a Ivorian authorities no so
receive
2021.
Hey. Nania letter no di come mfie mienu.
Sally, we even doubt the authenticity
of letter no the back court no.
We doubt it. So and also the same attitude. Esha so munye serious. Omo finally omunye say, afi omo hu say emra na yi kwesi no and afi mani abre wo ho. But it's too late. It is here no. Yeah, case no say o my case management level no my ni na wi. Obi ade na yaba nyame ade my be hearing. I think said next month 6th, 7th and 14th. If you are called na no asema ba betudwa. Na Ivorian law no crampo chese say odo krata na ba omo bi omo do mo friend decree. Na decree no is the nature of certificate of renunciation na pepepe. Omo so betro bibia ma we chese omo so ma receive. It is same issue. Same issue in our court. It may say NDC for. A leadership no dada omo. They have not been serious about this case from day one. It's the same attitude omo exhibit the Supreme Court. You winning is wrong boy. And no be no more call. Sa a high court in sense. For us, we are very clear. Me ubusame na honorable question is not as in North MP. Ubusame na because high court judgment or the bar and say what take ya Ghana mraso enti yentwe na se akonya about why ekoto yen so no yetwam enti no electoral commission and take steps no mo konkoto abafoforo oni ma be 9 court bia ni hono a etwa sa judgment ni mu and a court bia ni hono so ato sa judgment
high Cape Coast high court
yes.
judgment.
So as we speak per the judgment delivered Cape Coast High Court no. Honorable question is not the MP for Asin North. However, they have appealed to